Here's a 2017 Audi A8 L. It's designed for those who prefer their art on four wheels. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power reclining heated ventilated rear seats, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports this full-size luxury sedan features an impeccably finished cabin, refined acceleration, and polished road manners. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.